Introducing Bajaj Majesty Duetto Gas Vertical Water Heater. This 6-liter water heater is suitable for LPG and needs internal gas connection. It comes with 2 dry cells and reaches a water temperature of maximum 85 degrees Celsius. It comes with features like child lock, anti-freeze device, flame failure device, adjustable burner knob and advanced combustion technology for thermal efficiency of greater than 84%. 2 solenoid valves ensure enhanced safety. The outer body of this water heater is made from powder-coated anti-corrosive steel and comes in a size of 56 by 33 by 19 centimeters and weighs 5.2 kilograms. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.